the 3D locker that I created in my tutorial. I just went ahead and thought I would show it separately so the video wouldn't be so long. And I have created a SVG file for this. I will link all of that in the description box below, as well as video where I have my tutorial and how to size the locker for Cricut Design Space. And I use the Prima Dulce paper for the album and the locker. As you can see, I did use some of the chipboard pieces and the ephemera, some flowers from the collection. I have a little cotton candy I made thanks to Elizabeth, who is Beauty Bomb Bomb 1. I have some little metal pieces in the back and a little heart cabochon there. And I used some glitter paper for the hinges and the lock. So I tried to layer a lot on the front. Oh, and I forgot to mention these little doilies. And I tried to do my best clustering work here. I really struggled with the layering, but I was really happy with how this came out. And then on the top, we have the little fairy. And on the side, it's just more on the simpler side. Since I had so much going on the front, I really didn't put anything on the sides. And just love the paper. I think it's absolutely beautiful. I'm a big Prima addict. Love their paper. I just love the roses and the little teacup with a cupcake. I think it is so pretty. And back to the front. And I do have a magnet for the closure. I carried the little fairy here, as it is also, you will see in the album. And then on the inside, I used that like purpley, sparkly looking, almost like a marbly paper on all three sides. And then on the top, I just used one of my scrap pieces for the top that has the Ferris wheel. And then on the bottom, I had this scrap, which is the bingo paper. There we go, you can see. So I'm going to change my camera angle and we'll do a flip through of the album. Okay, so this is the album that I have created, and I made another Polaroid shaker frame. I just love that and thought it looked really pretty, and it was something you could decorate the front that where you're putting it in and out of the locker would hold its shape. I did add some flowers on the front here, as well as a cut apart that I had cut out a long time ago for a project, and it was in a little stash on my desk, so I used it. And some of these little hearts, which are from Buttons Galore More, I do believe. And the puffy sticker is from the collection. I absolutely love the Dulce paper. I think it is so pretty. It is right up my alley on the shabby side. And when you open it, I have the little fairy there, the cotton candy and the ice cream cones, and the tickets here. And when you open it up, I've got the words, like the collage pages, and this really pretty like watercolor pages I used, as well as the back here. Love the plaid. And then this is what the book looks like all the way around. Just absolutely beautiful collection. So thanks for watching, and make sure to leave a comment below.